Hi, I'm Cindy Bennett. I'm the 504 and RTI coordinator as well as the Virtual Academy advisor. So as the RTI coordinator, I'll be working with the instructional coach this year to identify our Tier 2 and Tier 3 students. We'll analyze the data from GMAS and from our MAP benchmarks this year. We will look at which students need some more intensified interventions and make sure that they are put into the correct classes and get those interventions that they need. We, of course, will monitor that as we go along and modify and make changes as needed. As the Virtual Academy advisor, if you were successfully approved for that program, then I am your advisor. So I will be in contact with you. We will have an orientation soon, and I will, of course, be speaking to you weekly, if not daily. And if you need anything from me, you can reach out to me via phone or email whenever you need to. And I look forward to getting to know all of my virtual learners. And I will also be in charge of attendance. So attendance, one of the biggest concerns is the parent notes. Parent notes are only good for 3 days. So if your child just doesn't feel well and you just don't feel like they should come to school and they don't need to go to the doctor, your parent note is acceptable, but it's only good for 3 days. And so when you send that note with your child, you find that 10 days later, the note is not turned in, and now we can no longer accept that note, unfortunately. So those become unexcused absences. The best thing to do is to have that, just email the note to myself or to somebody at the office or to your child's homeroom teacher. You can send it to our counselor, Jordan Lefevre. That's the best way to do that. Then you know the note gets to us immediately, and you don't have to find it at the bottom of a book bag later on, okay? And deal with those unexcused absences. So email that to us right away. I also will be dealing with 6th grade discipline. Now, in my 11 years teaching in Dawson County, I can count on one hand the number of write-ups that I probably have had to do as a teacher. So I would like to take a different approach with the discipline. I hope to kind of take a approach where we are going at it from the front end, so to speak, where I can get in classrooms, maybe do some observations of students that might be having some difficulties, see what we can do, provide some strategies for teachers, and get at the front end of it before we have to get anything, more consequences than we need to. So hopefully making an impact that way to help the teachers out, see what we can do in the classroom if that's where the concerns lie or the behaviors are. If it's in the transitions in the hallway, if I can be present there, whatever it's going to take. So I'm hoping to kind of be helpful that way so that we can maybe minimize some of those discipline issues. We'll see how that goes. But I'm hoping that I can also build some of those relationships with your student and with you, the parents, so that the first time you don't hear my voice or see my face other than this video isn't me calling you for a discipline issue, because that certainly isn't the only contact I want with you. So hopefully we can have some other communications. If you want me to just step in a classroom, observe your child for whatever reason, if I'm available to do that, call me, let me know. I'd be happy to do that and give you some feedback if you're concerned about anything. So please reach out. I'm here for you, and I just hope for a successful year for your child. Thank you.